Welcome back. To all you subscribers and non-subscribers, obviously this is my channel again, and we're doing the introduction to solving two-step word problems. So this is really for more next week's class than anything else. But here we have a situation where a ring is going to double in its original price. Whatever this original price started at, it's now going to be double. After you double it, it then increased another $48, so that the final price is $478. And we need to figure out what did its original price list as. So whatever it was listed at, we know that it doubled, and we know after it doubled, it increased $48, and we know its final price was $478. Well, usually what these word problems are going to ask you to do is create some kind of variable. So what I'm going to do is, because this is a ring, I'm going to go ahead and say that R is equal to the price of this ring as the original price. So this actually is going to be the original price of the ring. So whatever this original price of the ring was, I'm going to call it R. Well, in math, whenever something doubles, you're really multiplying it by 2. So we know when this original price is going to double, what we know happened was it was multiplied by 2. If the price used to be $5, now you're going to double it, so 2 times 5 is going to be $10. Whatever its price was, whether it was $99, if you multiplied it by 2, it's going to be $198. So what I'm going to write down over here is I'm going to write 2 times R. Now, a lot of us put a multiplication symbol of a dot, but believe it or not, you don't actually need that dot. See, this actually has a name. This is called a coefficient. And this coefficient, whether you put that multiplication dot or not, it's multiplying this variable. And it's multiplying it by 2. So you don't actually need to put any type of multiplication symbol like a small x symbol or a dot. It's already going to be multiplied when you put the 2 right next to the variable R. Now, it's customary to put the 2 in front of the R. Now, after you double this price, then you have to increase it. See, these are key words that you need to understand. So this is going to be an increase. Well, increase means to add. So we're going to add $48 to this. And this is a price of $478. Well, if you read the material that you actually stapled together in class today, you actually found out that what you were supposed to do here is you need to go ahead and solve what this original price of this ring is. Whatever this R is. Well, there's a lot of different ways you can do this, but what's really, really customary is to go ahead and do something called isolate the variable. Isolate means to get this variable all by itself on one side of an equal sign. So we have to get rid of some things first. Usually it's customary to get rid of the $48 somehow. So we're going to subtract the $48 away. When you take away 48 from 48, it is 0. The only thing that's going to be left over is the doubling of the ring price. See, but this is an equal sign. And what this equal sign means is that whatever you do, you have to make it equal on the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation. So this is going to be equal to 478, and you're going to have to subtract $48 from it. Well, this is going to be $430. So whatever this original price of this ring was, before you added $48 and you increased its price $48, it used to be $430 when you doubled the price. Well, a lot of you guys could probably do mental math right now, but if you're going to show your work, you want to go ahead and isolate this variable by unmultiplying it by 2. Well, what would be the opposite of multiplying something by 2? You could divide this by 2. Well, if you divide 2 by 2, you would get 1R. Some people will actually put the 1 there so that this number, this coefficient in front of R is a 1. But this is actually the same thing as writing 1R. When you don't put anything in front of that R, it's still 1R. You can see it looks like 1R. Well, you're going to have to balance the equation. When you balance something, you're always making it equal on the left side of the equation and the right side. Well, this means that you're going to divide $430 by 2. this is going to give you $215. This was the original price of the ring. We're going to be doing a lot of problems like this in class, and the reading that you stapled together and took home with you, there's going to be problems and examples like this again. Well, have a good one. I'll see you guys in class later on.